Hi, today we're going to review the Work Your Light Oracle cards. So this one, it costs $21.99. It's by Rebecca Campbell. Okay? So ito yung itsura nung box niya. Ito yung liquid. Ayan. Open natin. Ito yung kanyang instruction or yung guidebook. Simple lang yung guidebook niya. Meron din siya mga spread. Black and white siya. Ayan siya. Okay naman. So, usually kasi pag oracle, di ba, self-explanatory na siya. Pero okay din naman pag may guidebook. Ito yung itsura ng box niya. Meron siyang, You are the Oracle. Check natin. You are the Oracle. Quality ng card. Maganda yung quality ng card. Matigas siya. May pagka-matte siya, pero parang may pagka-powder yung matte niya. Madali siyang i-shuffle. So, matigas na card siya. Hindi siya yung mabilis mag-bend. Magandang klase ng card siya. Tapos yung color niya, ano siya? Maganda yung color niya. Parang, pastel. Oo, pastel yung color niya. Masarap sa mata. So, maglalagay ako ng sounds. Lalagay ko siya dito. So, kung medyo mabilis, pwede niyong i-pause. Okay? So, ganun siya. Try natin i-shuffle yung pag ganito. Or ganito yun. Okay naman, smooth siya. Pag ganito naman. Okay din. So, masyado siyang malapad. So, hindi ko siya marirecommend na i-shuffle mo pag ganun. Malapad kasi siya masyado. Usually, pag oracle, no, malalapad talaga. Lalo na pag gawa, pag sa US. Malalapad talaga siya. Ayan. Malapad siya. So, try natin, no. Kuha tayo ng dalawa. Madula siya kasi. Kahap. Unsealed ko lang sa kanya. So, check natin sa guidebook. Share your voice, came out the cave, persecution, expression. Hanapin natin siya dito. So, you are being called to share your voice, perhaps by speaking up in a relationship or through writing, speaking, singing, or some other form of creative expression. We each hold a truth deep within us that longs to be expressed. Sculpted for lifetimes, the voice of your soul is like no other. It carries with it wisdom that can only be gained through soul history and growth. By remembering, tapping into, and expressing this unique tone, we not only heal ourselves, we only heal the planet at large. When you share your voice, you unlock something in the universe and call a missing piece of you home. Your individual voice is the most powerful sound current on the planet. If you have kept your soul's voice silenced or held back, chanting or singing could be truly life-changing for you. As we shed the layers of your personality, start letting our unique soul speak through us, we discover we actually have a very clear message that longs to be shared. The more we speak it, the clearly it gets. There has never been a better time in history than right now to rise up, speak your truth, and share your soul voice. If you feel fearful, know that you are not alone, that the world needs your unique tone in order to harmonize. As we each rise up and share our song, we make it easier for next person to do the same. Work your light action, express yourself, share your voice, speak to those who can hear. O, kumanta daw ako. No, sabi yung no. Ano ba yung no? Hanapin pa ba natin yung no? Wait, postpone. Pause, say no. Hanapin pa ba natin yan? Oh no. Ayan yung no. Isa lang ibig sabihin. Huwag ka muna mag-yes. Habang explanation. Pero yun. Drive to say yes and act to move quickly. Take a moment from your busy life to clear the decks and prepare for the time in the future. For come spring, clarity will bloom and you will have the reserved space and drive to say yes and act and move quickly. Diba? Oh, say no muna daw. Yun. So, Ang ganda ng Oracle. Mahilig din ako sa oracles. Marami din akong oracles. For me, this one is 10 out of 10. I love it. I love the colors. I love pastels. Ang ganda ng quality ng cards. So, yeah, 10 out of 10 to sa akin. Ayan yung back niya. Yan. May guidebook pa. So, if you have any tarot in mind, Lenormand, oracles, just let me know. Maybe available na siya. Unahin natin i-review. If not, I'll try my best to find it. See you in my next video. Bye!